Hey guys, Mr. Kate again. Need to show you guys how to log in to this lab so that you can save your work. Apologize, I didn't do that before. Totally forgot because it's been a while since I've done it. So what you're going to do is once you've clicked on the link and you've gotten up this particular window, you're going to go up here to the top left and you're going to see that there's a little icon of a silhouette guy. Just roll your mouse over him and he'll toggle back and forth. Run down, scroll down to where you get here to Google Classroom. So you'll have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Go to Google Classroom, use it. Contacting Google Classroom, loading, choose the class. Okay, put in whatever class you're in, uh, and from there you should be able to hit go, and you should be logged in. Okay. So that should be all there is to it. And that should save your work from mission to mission to mission. Otherwise, it's not going to save your work. You're going to do all that work and then you'll have to reboot it in to move on to the next mission. All right. Hope that helps.